Say happy June, everybody. Say happy June, my Chew. Yeah, good boy. He wanted to come say happy June to everybody before I talk for a little bit, but he wanted to join me today. Look at this cute boy. This is Chewie, for people who don't know his name. He's a mini golden doodle, and he's 2 years old, so he's a really good boy. Yes, he is. He's my puppy. He's our only doggo. Yes, he's named after Chewbacca, of course. But yes, he's a good boy. Ready? Want to show you my tricks? Paw. Ooh, good boy. High five. Good boy. Good boy. Okay, you got me. You got me. All right, down. Down. This one I haven't done in a while. Down. Down. Oh, yeah. Hey, it's Brittany, and like I said with Chewie, happy June. This will be my first, I don't even know what I'm calling this, like monthly home recaps. Kind of more of a look into my everyday life. Stuff that's not just me going to Disney, stuff around the house. There's a lot of the house I want to show you guys. But yeah, I'm really excited just so you can get an extra look into my life that might not just be about Disney, but showing you more what I do at home, what I do around Florida and stuff. Again, that isn't Disney, so I'm super excited to start this series. I'm hoping to do one every single month, so you guys get just another sneak peek into my life, which I'm super excited to share with you guys. Yeah, but this month has been incredible. There's been a lot that's happened. Obviously, I'm filming this at the end of the month. But this month I hit 1,000 subscribers. I kind of hit at the end of May, early June, but I count in June. So I hit 1K subscribers. So thank you guys so much for helping me get to that point on my channel. It's fantastic. It's such a great start, and I'm so thankful for each and every single one of you who watch my content, just interact with me at all. It's such a fantastic blessing, and I'm just so thankful. But yeah, so that was a great way to start out June. Made some really cool vlogs this month. If you haven't seen them, I have all of them up on my channel, obviously, from this last month going to Disney. The stuff that you're going to see in this video, I went to a conference that I showed you guys around, some cool storm footage from around the house, more cute clips of Chewie, and I showed you guys an office tour of my office. You finally get to see what's on the wall behind me. Shocking. If you watch my live streams, I swear I always talk about it, and then I was like, I'm gonna show you guys, but I'm actually gonna show you guys in this video. So thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you enjoy it, and I hope you enjoyed this new kind of content. Honestly, I don't know how well it'll go over, but that's totally fine. But I will still have a Disney video out on Saturday. So no frets, no worries. My normal content will be out. But I'm just trying something new. So happy June. I hope you had a great June at this point. July is just around the corner. And I hope that you have a great holiday if you're in America celebrating the 4th. And if not, I hope you have just a great summer. So let's see what I was up to this month. Infocom 23. Woo! Where all the nerds go. We're here at Infocom. Having a blast. Free stuff. Cool tech stuff. We love it.
8. We're going to see can he score. It's open. Oh, man, great defense. And that is the game.
PTZs, look, we're famous. Thanks, Yamaha. I'll go touch it, Connor. Let's go touch it. Whoa. What? What is happening? This is the coolest thing ever.
You don't even have to like touch it, you just like wave your hand on the ground.
Wow, that's cool. Okay, this is where we just touched the thingy, but like look at how cool that is. I love it. This is fantastic. This is very cool. Okay, we've got Froggy's Fog here with like fog bubbles and snow. I want to cry. I love me some snow. Also the GLP booth, they're as old as I am. Whoa, this is a really cool like step and repeat. It's huge. This is dope. This is dope. But like bubbles and snow. I love it. Canon straight up has their equipment out with band kind of showing everything off. That's awesome. Black Magic cameras, y'all. Going over here. Testing some of the Black Magic cameras that we are actually getting at my work. This is really cool. This is so nice. The set's really dope too. It's lit well. I'm having the most fun in the Black Magic booth. Like, this is my broadcast dreams. Broadcast dreams, yo. Okay, but by far the best branding thing I've seen so far is this Neat booth. They're giving away coffee with their logo on the sleeve, and they even foam print their logo, which is like, I don't know, the coolest thing. I love it. I got cappuccino for free. Thanks, Neat. That's a really good idea. And then over here is giving away some ice cream. So we're doing it. We're doing it. We're at the LG booth. Look at him. This is so cool. See-through OLED touchscreens. Wow. That's so cool.
That should be sick for our digital.
All right, we're here at the Volcano Hot Pot Barbecue in Orlando, doing some Korean barbecue and some hot pot. So freaking good, right? Yeah. Yeah, this is our lunch after InfoComm. Woo! Okay, if you've never done hot pot or Korean barbecue before, you basically go up. Here they have like a little, like a buffet bar of all like raw stuff. I chose the miso base, and then I have like a bunch of meat and tofu, sauces. And then Korean barbecue, they just turn this guy on, which it was on. We just got switched out. And then you just put your barbecue on it, and you barbecue it. It's bomb-tastic. All right, they turned our thingy on. So there you go. I just used a little tongs and put it on there, and it cooks. Good stuff. Yummy. Look at this. Yum. Ah! Happy June! Is this El Nino? El Nino. I'm sorry, I had to ask Blaine. Which basically means it's gonna be really wet. Hurricane season is upon us, but this is not a hurricane. It's just a storm. Oh, I'm getting wet. The window's open here. This is crazy. Look at the pool. Insane. See if I can get some thunder or lightning. You can definitely hear the thunder. It's that time of the year. This is also kind of some of the stuff in the backyard we've been working on. I'll show you guys later. It's not done yet, so I'll show you when it's done. I'm also like screaming into the microphone. It's loud. Are we done with the lightning and thunder? Oh, sorry. Blaine was taking a video on his phone, and I'm totally talking through the whole thing. My bad. Lightning. See if I can catch it. Hold on. I'm sure it'll be storming a lot though, so I'll catch some more storms for you guys because they're cool down here. He's like, I don't like this. I know. The thunder's loud for you, huh, Bubby? The thunder's loud for you, huh, kiddo? We just got him a thunder shirt. I'll show. Oh, I just missed lightning. That's close. Whoa. So loud. Last night, a lightning cracked, or a thunder was all like right above us, and it scared us so bad. Or scared me bad, not Blaine. Scared me. Well, there's lightning. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. About 5 miles-ish. So loud. Craziness. Choo-choo. Look at all our floaties. Hi, baby. I know, little guy. I'm sorry, kiddo. I know. You'll get used to it. because of the 4th of July coming up and the thunderstorms and that season starting. We got Chewie this little head muff. He doesn't absolutely hate it. And then we got him a thunder shirt, which we've put it on. I'll put him on, or I'll put this stuff on him to show you guys because he's really cute. And this dog kind of looks like him. But yeah, we got this for fireworks and to help him through thunderstorms, and it's really freaking cute. Okay, I don't want to put the thunder shirt on him right now. I'll definitely have that on him and show you guys. But look at him. He's like, Mommy, I don't like this. You don't like the thunder and the sound anyway, buddy. You're so stinking cute. Why are you frozen? Are you frozen? Look at your little ears. But it protects his little puppy ears. So then you don't get it's not so loud for you, honey. Oh my goodness gracious, kiddo. You're so freaking cute. Look at the buddy. Look at you. Look at him. He doesn't know what to do. Does that actually calm you down, or are you internally panicking? I can't tell. You're okay. You're okay, kiddo. He's like, why, Mom? Why? It's okay. You're a good boy. Okay, I've promised you guys for a while a office little tour for my office. So here we go. Walk in. Here's just kind of like everything real quick. Wee the thing. I have this cute little sign I think my mother-in-law got me about the Chew. He's cute. This area, I really like this area. This is stuff for future videos. These are all the Legos. Sneak peek at the Legos we're gonna build. I have my Thomas Kincaid pictures, which I love. I love having these things up. That's one of my favorite things. And then I have, this is actually, if you see, like, you can see people signed it. That was our, like, wedding book. Like, people signed it when they came to our wedding. It's a big S for our last name. I have my little ghosty guy here. Blaine got this for me from Disneyland Paris before we were even dating. But yeah, I have a really cool light from the Main Street Electrical Parade. My sister got that for me for Christmas a while back now. Blaine gave me his record player because I really like it. And then I have all my records. Some of these are also Blaine's, but I have some Ariana Grande, some Need to Breathe, Paramore, T Swift, John Mayer, you know, all the things. Some Rush. Just my cool Disney World calendar. Look into the backyard. Then over here is my desk. I'll show you the front first. Just little trinkets around that I've just collected over the years. Sven and Olaf, really cool globe. Just some really cute little things. And over here this is actually a saddle from my grandpa. He had a farm back in Washington, so when he passed when I was little, I loved horses too. Like, I was a horse girl growing up. Shocking, I know. But my dad made this for me so I could have the saddle from the ranch. So I kind of just put stuff on it. And then this is a lasso from the ranch as well, which I think is really cool. But this is my desk. Pardon the mess. I just had my live stream. So this is from the live stream. But yeah, this is my setup. This is everything I edit and everything here. Here's my Funko Pops, which I've shown you guys on the stream multiple times. But there they all are. And then I have this really cool Pluto from the vault I got for Christmas a while ago. I love Pluto. He's my favorite Fab 5 character. So I got a special edition of him, Treasures from the Vault. So I thought it was really cool. It was on Amazon, which is really awesome. And then I have my really cool big mirror. This is my favorite mirror. It survived the move from Washington to Florida, and I was shocked. And this is a Chewie's bed. Actually, this is a bed for Chew. And then we have my photo wall, which is what I wanted to show you guys the most. Because you see this behind me when I'm live streaming, and people have asked, like, what's behind you? But yeah, these are all prints from Disneyland Paris. We got them. As you can see, like, this is French. But yeah, we got each, different lands. I think we have 2 more somewhere that I haven't put up. And then we have these little pictures in between. It's me and my sister when we were little. And then Blaine and I's engagement photos. We're just being dorks. This is a photo from Disneyland Hyperspace Mountain. I think the first time I ever rode that version. More Blaine and I, and then my sister. I don't know if you can see because of the shadow. When I visited her in LA when she lived there. And then this one's another one from Disneyland Paris. It's the railroad, which is really cool. You got this, it's a Small World poster, a pic from when we were in Mexico, and the Big Thunder Mountain poster, and to round it all off, the Space Mountain poster. So yeah, and then I just kind of have these really pretty like wispy black curtains. But yeah, that's kind of my office. But I'm really loving this space. It just feels so much like me. And then I love my rug down here. It's really cute. Oh, and then I have some really cute stuff down here. Chewie tries to eat these things because he thinks they're his toys, but they're not. Look at this gem. Hold on. It's a Lance Bass teddy bear from NSYNC. Like, I've had this since the 90s. I think I have a Britney Spears one somewhere. But, like, limited edition rare bear cub from Lance. Still, I wonder if that'd be worth money. I don't know, but I really like it because Lance was my favorite. And then I have Pooh Bear Snowden it was an old Target Christmas show. Hi, buddy. Here's Chewie. He's like, what are you doing, Mommy? I'm showing people my office, buddy. You're fine. But no, that was from like a Christmas special that Target put on when I was a little kid, and I really, really loved it. It was like ice skating and stuff, and I love ice skating. I have a big BB-8 over there. And then my Snow White book, which I love so much. It's a notebook, but it has like, it looks like the fairy tale. I want all of them. They're really cute. But it's just a notebook, and it has snow in the corner. But I really just like it as like a prop. So you gonna sit here with me? You gonna say hi to everybody? You gonna say hi? He's like, I'm important. Excuse you. I'm the most important thing in this office, Mummy. Yeah, but that's just kind of everything in my office. But I want to show you guys because I told you I would. So there you go. And with that, I'm going to end the video here. Hopefully I'll get some more footage in the future of what I do and do more things during the month. But I'm super excited. July, I'm going to start my 14 days of Vlogmas in July, starting the weekend after the 4th. So I think it's July 8th it'll be starting. So get ready. You're going to see content from me every single day for 14 days straight, and I'm so excited for that. So hit that subscribe button, ring that notification bell, and like this video if you enjoyed it. And again, thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys real soon. Bye!